And today is the start of the Road Safety Week. Let's go across to Hyderabad. This is a very crucial issue for all of us at NDTV because it's a crucial issue that matters to all of us in India. Just how safe are India's roads? Do we know every time we step out, every time one of our loved ones step out onto the streets of Delhi, whether they will be coming home safely? That is a big question. And let's go across to Hyderabad, which is taking up, Divya, with Hyderabad now taking up this crucial issue with gusto.
Yes, Sarah. In fact, we are here in front of KBR Park and we're going to kickstart the third edition of the Road to Safety campaign, which is a DIGO initiative, and this is being flagged off by the CSR head of DIGO, Navdeep. Now, what you see is also a tow truck which will be leading the people who are here, who are going to be walking from KBR all the way to Jubilee Hills checkpost. And a few questions to Navdeep. Navdeep, could you please tell us as to why is it important to have a road safety campaign? And this is going to be a week-long campaign. So why is it important, and why are we starting it from Hyderabad?
So, road safety is a very serious concern for all citizens. Why are we starting from Hyderabad is because it is the youngest state of the country. So we want to send the message across that the youngest state in the country is concerned about road safety, and sending the message across to the rest of the states that let's be safe on the roads, let's be disciplined on the roads. Because I think it's a very serious concern for the country. Right. We have statistics which are very serious, which are very glaring. So we wish that this state, Telangana, sends a message across to the rest of the country. Let's be safe on the roads.
Thank you, Navdeep. And Sarah, it's really, lack of proper road signs, lack of maintenance in the roads, and these are just some of the problems. But one of the major problems is drink and driving, and what you see on these boards is the aim of the campaign, which is never drink and drive. Sarah?
Never drink and drive. That's something we can all get behind. Thanks so much, Divya.